So first off, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C13. Now I'm blending out that concealer with my cheapo Rite Aid style beauty blender sponge. I already did my eyebrows off camera too. Now I'm applying my Clinique powder foundation, and that's in the color 28 Clove. I'm applying it to set my concealer and then also just all over my face because I like powder foundation. Now I'm going to be taking this kind of brownish red blush color from the RK by Kiss Dare Blusher Sweet Cheeks palette. I got this at the beauty supply store. I'm also going to apply that blush on my nose, and I kind of go pretty heavy-handed with it and then blend it out a little bit with my brush from earlier that I used for my foundation. I'm going to take that same blush that I used earlier and then apply it to the outer corners of my eyes. Kind of just want a flushed look all over. Next, I'm going to be taking a really kind of bright primary colored red and applying that to underneath my lash line. I'm just kind of smudging it out a little bit with my fingers. And now I'm just adding a little bit more of that blush color just to kind of add a little bit more depth to my outer corners again. This is what we're looking like right now. Now I'm going to take kind of a frosted kind of orangey red color and apply that to my inner tear duct area as a highlight. This color is also from a palette from the beauty supply store. It's just a really frosted, shimmery, reddish orange. And I'm kind of just packing this on because I really want it to be super intense and opaque in my inner corners. Now, as we know, I'm gonna go ahead and define my beauty mark over my right eye. Yeah, I have this beauty mark, and because I put on some color earlier, it got taken. I'm also gonna apply a little beauty mark to my little cheek area there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfection highlighter in the color Chocolate Geode and just apply that to my nose and the very top of my bridge. And I'm also going to highlight the tops of my cheekbones. Then I'm just going in again and just making my blush a little bit more strong by adding some more. Now the fun part, I got these cute little gem crystal things with an adhesive sticky back from Michael's for like $2. So I'm gonna add some of those to underneath my eye, like right in the center where my pupils will be. Gonna finish off some mascara. Today I'm using the Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt. This is from L'Oreal. Just some cheap mascara I got from TJ Maxx. Don't forget your bottom lashes. And now I'm applying this NK makeup lipstick, which is another beauty supply store find. It's their Velveteen lipstick, and this is in the color Sweet Chocolate. So it's like a really nice muted nudie pink brown. And roll the merry seats up with the rest of it. Complaining about your ex-girl. And then just to go over top to add to the whole sweetness of the look that we've got going, I'm applying the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Raspberry Pavlova. Can you please tell me if I'm wasting my time? I ain't got any more seconds. And don't forget to set your face. I'm using the Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX. Too existential, I'm transcontinental. You've got potential. After we dry off, transcendental. I'd like to make it get a little experimental. Invento lentils till your temperament is level. I'll give you all I've got, but don't wait to go. Oh man, so.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.
Existential, I'm transcontinental, and you've got potential. Hey, I'd really